Hi everybody, and welcome back to the shop. I'm Mike, and this is Bubba's Workbench. Today's video is my non-definitive buyer's guide to carbide cutters. I say non-definitive as this field is changing so rapidly that this guide will certainly need updating sooner than later. I hope for it to be a starting point for anyone wanting to get into carbide lathe tools with all of the legwork already done. That this guide is for those wanting to make their own carbide tools, not simply where to buy the completed tools. As this is part of my wood turning adventure, I have found making my own tools is both rewarding and incredibly cost effective since I'm trying to get into wood turning as cheaply as possible. My greatest emphasis on getting into wood turning is to determine the bare minimum required that will not hinder the quality I am able to produce. Oftentimes, in order to save money, it would seem that far more effort is required, which for some may be too much of an inconvenience. Through my extensive research, I have taken the pain out of searching for the best deal, yet there is a caveat associated with the best deal, and I will get to that once it is revealed. First thing to go over are the cutters themselves. I'm going to showcase the standard set of 5, which consists of the following: the 14mm square, 15mm radius square, the 12mm round, the 28mm rounded point diamond, and the 30mm sharp diamond. Now, I will be honest, you may not need all 5, however, it will come down to personal preference. Many of the beginning carbide tool sets only come with 3. Those 3 typically being a radius square, a round, and a sharp point diamond. Due to the low cost of making your own, I would encourage the standard 5 as your beginning set. There are other styles of cutters and sizes available, however, you always need a starting point to determine what you like or dislike. In future videos, I will showcase these new cutters as I acquire them. Let's get to where to buy. The first option, which is one of the most common, is to simply go to either Woodcraft or Rockler and buy cutters from Easy Wood Tools. These cutters are going to set you back approximately $20. That is not an exact price. It is a safe number as the price changes per cutter, and of course, there will be tax. As of the posting date of this video, I found them at Woodcraft for $16.99 and up. For the second option, which I did not find to be more than a couple dollars less, is going on Amazon. For Easy Wood Tool cutters, you saved an additional $1. Then your third choice, eBay, which seems to be cheaper than Amazon, although the links are usually from the same sellers. The fourth option, and a very good option if you want to help out an amazing YouTuber, is Captain Eddie Castelin. He sells the cutters as well as the bars for making your own tools. His pricing is good, and while he sells the cutters in 3 packs, it comes out to around $10 per cutter. The fifth and final option, also my go-to choice, is Banggood. I have bought many cutters and even tools from them, and they simply cannot be beat. A single 14mm square cutter as of today costs $2.01 to $4.01 for the 30mm sharp. I will provide an affiliate link below to the 5 most commonly used sizes, and being an affiliate link will help me without hurting you. To put things in perspective, you will be able to get the 5 most common sizes and screws from Banggood for the same price as getting one Easy Wood tool from anywhere else. The caveat I mentioned, though, is the fact you are buying from China and will have to wait a few weeks to get them. Their shipping used to be free on everything. Now, free shipping is available once a price is high enough, which I believe is around $30. In some cases, items are free shipping based on our current promotion. However, the shipping is typically less than $3 to the US. If you stray from my link once you are at Banggood, you will be amazed at the selection of carbide tools and cutters. There are a lot of what looks like duplicate items. However, the brand that is cheapest on their site is called Drill Pro. This video is also a precursor to my carbide tool build video that I hope to have out soon. So go order those cutters and come back and watch my build videos on putting those cutters to use. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching, and you take care.